Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Welcome everyone. In this video, we try to solve this problem. No media query was ancestor found. Scaffold widgets required a media query widgets ancestor. The specific widgets that could not find media query ancestor. This is problem in my case when I try to run my app. Give me this message, this error, and I focus for here. No media query widget ancestor found. To solve this problem, we need to do something. Before we start, please subscribe in channel and share this video if you found it useful. Let's start. If I go to my class, problem here in my class, I get this class name. The solution is by wrap my Flutter app by material app widget. What we will do? We will go to main file. In main file, we focus to root class. The root class must wrap with material app. In my case, I don't have material app here. I need to wrap my class who have problem by widget material app. This material app. I will change child to home. That's all. I add constant. Now I wrap it my by material app. Now I try to restart. Yes, the problem is solved. That's all. Please remember, you know what I say. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I need to share this video. And subscribe in my channel, please. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.